cops had to retreat, bro. Yeah, we just got home from a honeymoon yesterday. Oh, bro. Turbulence can suck my ass after a shit, bro. Oh. I cannot with turbulence, bro. It's like I've seen too much plane movies. I've seen too much plane movies. I've seen too many plane movies, my bro, and oh, the situational thinking that was going on through my brain, bro. Holy guacamole, I tell you. Evil when I ran fucking interceptor. Mr. K's got a tank. Some boys get spanked. Turbulence while on the... Oh, bro, I can only imagine while you're in the toilet. When there's turbulence and, bro, you rock the plane rocks and the shit goes back to where it come from. Oh, bro. Hey, what's up, everyone on YouTube? Damn, you're coming through pretty fast. Welcome back, welcome back. We are finally back to streaming. Been a while. I've been on my honeymoon, but we are finally back in full swing. Swinging harder than OG Mudburn. But it feels good to be back. You better get down, that's Bobby Crack Brown. Whoop. The label's ours, CG buying up buildings and towers, but oh bro, it is definitely a very, very magical place. I think we're gonna go back at some point as well. That's how good it was. Imagine if you had a bottle of milk during turbulence and you walked out with butter. And every time, bro, the like airplane would make a new sound, and I was like, "Oh, this makes me feel safe." Yo, what up, brother Otter? I was like, "Yeah, I'm feeling really safe right now." Chat, there's probably gonna be a lot of yarning today, as opposed to like workhorse vibes, just because I'm catching up with you guys too, but I want to make some progress as well. But yeah, I kind of want to double dip today and do 2 streams. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit of a double dip day today. Time to get back to work in RP2. Try and help out CG. But yeah, we'll be streaming through the weekend too. Be doing a little bit of that. Hey, the biggest of them all. What's up, brother Mandingo? Good to see you again, my bro. Whee! With a sub baby too. How you been, big nuts? Hope you're well, brother. Thank you very, very much for the 9 months, my bro. Happy sub baby. I was sending to Brisbane and one of the engines died and he was told by the stewards that the plane one if need be and they counted with I paid for a plane with actual engines, thank you. Bugger that, bro, straight up. Yeah, bro, every time the plane made a new sound, it was like, oh, I feel like it's falling apart just a little bit. To the top, Casey. Hope you're keeping well and healthy. Oh my bro, I was on honeymoon and I was not eating healthy, I'll tell you that much. Healthy was the last thing on my mind, my brother. Oi! Yo, Steedy, thank you for the 2-bomb, my bro. Yeah, how do I play this new Marvel game? I saw the shark character and I will do anything in the world to protect that shark character. What's his name? He's got like a real normie name, right? Thank you very much, brother Sturdy. I still need to go and watch Deadpool as well. Yeah, I'll do anything to protect that shark character. Even if it's a support, they must die. He looks like the Timo of the game, but everyone actually likes him. Sounds like a raining. Yeah, it's been raining since I got back. Yeah, so there's this new Marvel game, Marvel Rivals, and they just introduced the shark character. And he's kind of like the token cute character, but everyone actually likes him as opposed to Timo from League of Legends. He's cute, but everyone hates the character. Have they added Thor? Nah, no, yeah, I don't think so. Jeff. Oh, is that his name? His name's Jeff. I hope when he kills someone, he goes, "My name is Jeff." I still gotta go watch Deadpool. I've been laughing at a lot of people that went to watch Deadpool, and some people were saying that how much they don't like Deadpool. It's like, did you even watch the first one? I like Deadpool for that reason, because you know he has a humor that defines himself as a character. I love it, eh? I love it. Deadpool was an affront to God. Bro, I tell you, my bro. When people say that, bro, probably wear a Deadpool mask in public for that reason, because of how papega they are. Dark clouds. One moment, chat. I like the Wolverine meme that Hugh Jackman's been posting with the photo frame and #1 movie in the world in it. Oh, bro, that's gold. My cousin was telling me NSYNC plays in there too. I was like, ooh, I hope it's Bye Bye Bye. That's the actual good song. Yeah, hoping to watch it this weekend too, my bro. Yo, Popo! What's up, Mr. Popo? Thank you very much for the 35 months, bro. What's the mallet made out of? Rata wood. It's a timber. Thank you for the 6 months in advance too, my bro. Hey, old friend. Hope all is well with the family. Cheer, my bro. Yo, Popo, I just got back from my honeymoon, brother. Just got back, my bro. Feeling good. Think my waist got a little bit bigger, but definitely worth it. Back to dieting again. Family's good. Kids are at school. Kids are happy they were home too, so definitely a W, my bro. Ah, good to see you, Mr. Popo. Yeah, it wasn't actually that cold down here. It didn't really get cold till like the last 2 days, to be honest. Because I was in shorts majority of the day. And they were looking at me like I was crazy. I was like, I got thunder thighs, man. Leave me alone. Hey, Jigsy, thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. What in a telekai. Kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, so today is probably going to be an easygoing stream. I will get some work done, I promise. But it's I think today is going to be more of a catch-up day because we haven't seen each other in a couple days. Thank you, Jigsy. How are you, brother? Thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Hello, chat. Shit. Sorry, Chet. Just clamping in the door. Sorry, hope I didn't scare anyone. Yeah, there's gonna be catch-up vibes today. But trust me, we'll pump it out. I'll turn the music off so we can the rain ASMR stream. I should have had ASMR on my stream tags, eh? What do you reckon, Chet? Could be the play, could be the play. Attract all the ASMRs. Show her to her. Oh, we won silver this morning. Hey! No, it's just the clown. Man, I love P Money. Yeah, he's the man. There's an ice bar down there as well, guys, and it's like -5 in there. It was -5 inside the bar. It was a pretty cool experience. But the crazy thing about Queenstown is people are out super late with their kids. Like, bro, put them to bed. They're like out super late with their kids. I could never eat. Got a TikTok, long time no see. I just got back from my honeymoon. Got back from my honeymoon last night. Now I'm home. Time to get back to it. But hope you have been well too, TikTok. How you's been, TikTok? Good to see you all again. What an amazing music and James on YouTube. Yeah, been a hot minute there, TikTok. I was supposed to do some lives down there, but I felt like I wanted to be on my phone a little less. And on top of that too, the internet in the hotel we were staying in, absolutely garbage. I feel like dial-up is faster. I feel like one before. And they're from Northern Ireland. Hey, brother. Also, Anyone from America is here. Congrats on the bronze medal in the sevens, bro. Absolutely love to see it, eh? I didn't stay up enough to watch. I start watching the games, but watch the repeats in the morning, and holy! At the end of the game too, that was buzzy. Absolutely super happy for like Portia Woodman too, and the other silver fans who are retiring. Bro, I was buzzing, bro, when they beat Australia. Yeah, one of two. Yeah, I buzzed right out. Definitely did not expect it, but you know, because the Levi sisters are pretty OP. Eh? They're pretty OP. And the Cowboys won the game on the weekend. Love to see it. What's up, Miz? Yeah, so today might be a bit of a slow and steady stream on all platforms for those that are just joining in. It's gonna be I'm gonna do some work / catch up. But we'll be doing some carving streams through the weekend too. Been watching, yeah, bro. We've been watching the Olympics. I actually enjoy watching the Olympics, to be honest. I've been watching since. What was the one before Athens? When was that? I think I started watching before that one, and I've been watching ever since. Yeah, wherever the Olympics was before the one that was before Athens. The audio is just me. Hang on. Yeah, you have to give it the cartridge treatment. South Suburb, there's a lot. There was one in Salt Lake City, right? What was the one before Salt Lake City? Half a day. What's up, brother? Yeah, I remember the Salt Lake City Olympics. What was the one before that? I don't even remember because I started watching back in the 90s, so, you know, fluoro tracksuits were in back then. Oh man, yeah, I've been watching for a long time. I won't lie, I thought this opening ceremony wasn't as great. Call me old-fashioned, but I prefer to see like all the countries of the world come together in a stadium. And seeing them on the boats, obviously, you know, there's the controversial stuff too, but I didn't really watch that, so heard someone's nutsack flopped out, but me personally, I like it when like all the countries come together in the arena, because it kind of gives it that old Olympian feel. and they didn't do that, and I thought that was kind of off. I didn't like it. They all went up the river. Yeah, apparently in the performance, someone's nutsack flopped out. But let's be honest, ain't no one for many years is topping no one is topping Japan's opening ceremony for the next couple years. Let's be honest. Ain't no way you can get better than Super Mario and Sonic. Thank you, first class. London was awesome. Yeah. But yeah, as a gamer, yeah, Japan is Japan was my one. Next Olympics is in Los Angeles, eh? Yeah, like the Olympic flame is just floating around in a blimp. Yeah, I won't lie, I don't like the fact that the flame is floating around in the blimp. It should be like, because it's the pinnacle of the Olympics, the Olympic flame, which should be on display in the stadium. But yeah, that's just me. I prefer opening ceremonies in the stadiums when all the countries are walking around. That's just how I like it. I've been enjoying one of the Silver Ferns. She's doing she's on her pin collecting grind, and she got Simone Biles' personal pin. I absolutely love it. Eh? Could show off their country flags, but yeah, exactly. Like, flexing your flag is the most, it's like the best thing you can do when it comes to an international gathering, repping for your country. But yeah, that's just me. I didn't like the fact they weren't in a stadium. I don't care. The men's hockey is Oz. Oh, really? True. Are you someone? No, I'm still wondering if David Litty is in the Olympics too for weightlifting. Yeah, thank you, Mason. I'm not really sure how many events we got left for our country. Has track and field started? Yo, Fatal and Domo Fox, thank you very much. You have a nice day too, brother. I think my favorite sport that I like watching the majority of the time is the swimming, bro. That's hearty. Did you guys see that mum from I think it's Japan or Korea, sorry if I get it wrong, and she's like anime as fuck now? She broke an Olympic record as well. I mean, can you blame her? Did you see that judo woman cry after losing? Oh, I would too if I lost. Olympics is like the pinnacle of all pinnacles. But yeah, there's this Olympian shooter. She's going viral. Like, she looks anime as, but when it there's people that have been talking about me more in wholesome as too. She had her kid's toy that she took with her too. I was like, oh, kicking in the parental vibes as well. What's her name? I don't know. I just know she done she was in the pistol shooting sport. She's going viral for the photo. How she looked too. Did you see how close the woman's rowing was? Literally photo finish epic comeback. I think I did, Dommy, and we were like, and NZ was like in fourth or something, and bumped right up to first, I believe. Part was when 9-year-old kid getting a standing ovation for Tony Hawk. Yo, yo, yo. Was Tony Hawk an Olympic judge? I don't understand why they don't have them as like in judges, right? Rodney Mullen, Tony Hawk, like those are the people like from my era that kind of shaped the sport. Is that the kid that done the double 900? I think I remember seeing that one. Hey, what's up, Russell? Who did the Frankie from One Piece? Yeah, yeah, from America, eh? Done the super. I think Winter Olympics are better, to be honest. Oh, fair. Looks on. Hey, thank you, my bro. Yeah, so I'm kind of just taking my time today as just catching up with everyone because I just got back from my honeymoon. But I'll start putting all the clips together, and I'm just gonna post it on my YouTube. Oh, I miss boosting. Do you like Milo when I was a kid? Looks mean, thank you. We're still like setting up a lot of the stuff first before we initially start doing pakati. Right, we might have to turn it around now. Hello from Malaysia, kia ora. Where's everyone from today? Are you from New Zealand? Small town called Ruatahuna in Rotorua. Kapai TikTok, he's all good. So I just gotta get it from this angle, even though you probably can't see majority of it. How we doing? One thing the summer has that winter doesn't, the sports at the beach. I prefer winter. I've never liked summer. That's why I really enjoyed being down to Queenstown, because it was cold. How we doing? TikTok, Kate Pai? Yeah, I hate summer, bro, just because my body overheats a lot. I'd rather just be cold and get warm. Hey guys. Yeah, so what I'm currently doing right now is, you may not be able to see much of it, but I'm just setting up a couple of the rows, which I'll show you very shortly. I'm just trying to get it done ASAP so I can get back to showing you guys. How have you guys been, TikTok? Yo, Broxley in Queenstown yesterday, yeah, I was there for like 6 days, my bro. Saw a couple people that watched the stream down there too. Which is pretty cool, it was pretty buzzy. You're amazing, hey, everyone here watching is amazing to me. Google Translate didn't butcher that? No, Google Translate pretty on. Did you find any fancy pies here from this place called Ferg Bakery? Oh, good. The cream donuts are pretty on. But yeah, it was, yeah, we went down there for like six days. Went to Milford Town. That was probably the longest drive I've ever done in my life so far. 578 Ks in one day. But the views, bro, the views, holy. The views down there are OP, man, they're OP. Wasn't sure and didn't want to say. Oh, did you? Oh, yeah, no, I was at the airport yesterday. Where did you see me? Did you see me in the waiting room to get on the plane? Nice. I know a YouTuber who does fishing vids. He got a pie and chucked rock oysters in it. Oh, true. Thank you very much for the gift, these guys. He was down in Queenstown for 6 days for just for honeymoon, my bro. We just tried to do as much things as we could.
Watch videos offline and in the background. Try YouTube Premium.
See Jason Momoa? No, I didn't see him. I didn't see anyone like that at the airport. True, Momoa was at the airport. Why, Drew, my thoughts were up in the clouds, to be honest. Oh my gosh. Yo, Orgasm, thank you for gifting us up, brother. I was walking alongside my mom and then he walked in and saw you. I was having a mean day. Yeah, you should have told me. Yeah, Jason's over there, my bro. I feel like I drove my first somewhat modern car, chat. Ooh, I felt like my man. Oh, it was just a Toyota Qashqai, but I was calling it a Toyota Cash Cow. Bro, it had 4 reversing cameras. And I wasn't used to them at first. I'm a bit of a use the mirrors kind of guy. Yeah, I'm a use the mirrors kind of guy, but bro, it was pretty impressive, the car we drove. Amazing work. Hey, thank you, brother. About to open the 84x10. What's that? Is that a card pack? NFL card pack? I'm kind of just guessing, to be honest, what you could be opening. Hey, hi Bacon, Mitchin90, thank you for the back-to-back Optimus Primes. Kia ora, bros. Oh, what else did we do? Yeah, I actually really like Queenstown, just for the initial vibe it had. Like, no like wannabe tough guys, just people vibing. Very everyone's winter drip was on, man. It's a lot of snowboarders and skiers, a lot of them, man. I may have been a smart ass at 1.2. I walked into the Calvin Klein shop. I was like, "Hello, I'm looking for my Uncle Calvin." Last name Klein. And the workers were like, "Get out! I'm just looking for my Uncle Calvin." I got no balls, so I just did it. It's like, alright, say less, I'll do it. Yes, I got lucky for my Uncle Galvan. He owned the shop. Oh, Toronto, cheer my bro. Hey, what up, brother Chris? How you, my bro? Me here na ano, my bro. Kia ora, kia ora. Oh, also, we saw this Kia. Bro, I swear it was like Batman sitting on the side mirror of the vehicle we were on. Because its wings were like draped on the side of the mirror. I was like, oh, Batman, dude. Because I was looking at me and I was like, whoa, shit. But yeah, the whole experience driving down to Milford was next level, man. Yo, Dawning Rose. Oi, 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 with the 10 bomb. Thank you very much, Dawning Rose. For the 10 bomb. If you did get a gifted sub from Dawning Rose, please give Dawning Rose a thank you. Kia ora, Dawning Rose. Also, I want to ask, did the last episode for House of Dragons get leaked? Does anyone know? Because I still haven't seen the latest, but now I'm seeing a lot of people like adding snippets, and I'm like, it's an insta swipe for me because I don't want it to be ruined. I already know what happens in the book, but bruh, how are people getting their hands on the episode already? Is it true? Like, I've read the books, man. I'm so not looking forward to what's gonna happen here. Because I like Team, you know, Team Black, pretty much. Hello from Manchester. Hey, brother. Yeah, like people are leaking the script or some shit like that. I don't want to say what the script says just in case. But bro, really? Hello from Ireland. Hey brother. Or sis. Hello from Germany. Hello. Give us a patero. Geez, how old are you? 5? Give us a patero, you wicked. Holy hicka. Sivvy! Civi, thank you for the $13.37. I will be firing back up when War Within releases, but I did see there's like a pre-patch, but everyone's not really happy about the pre-patch. Can anyone like explain? Is it like a gear catch-up event? Because I logged in last night and I see that the middle talent trees are available now. I'm still huffing on copium that they're gonna make Magha Pallies. Bug Fiesta and laggy as hell. What do you get from like the things, Vol'jin? Do you get like gear? When I saw them I was like, bro, what in the low res echoes are these? Like if it's catch up gear I'll probably do it. But if I actually really enjoyed like the recap it gives you when you log back in. I thought that was a nice touch. But from what I can see, no one's really like happy with it. I mean, that's just the WoW community in general, but you know. Yeah, you get like up to 480 eye level. Oh yeah. I'm guessing there's like a timer on spawn rates as well. Would it be a WoW event without timers? Jeez, and how do you tell which one it is? I'm guessing it's just to fly around and find out. Oh, they're gonna give me a water. It looks fancy. Thanks, man. This is actually as simple as I could get, to be honest. Now with this design too, we haven't actually started doing it. So with these sections here, the thick middle rows, we're actually going to be carving them again to do a design called Pakati, which we will get to shortly. I just got to go and get some water because someone redeemed the hydrate. Alright, I have the water. Thank you for the hydrate. I should really remind myself. Hey, what's up, tree? Cheers. Cheers. Oh. Time to get back to dieting, chat. Holidays is over. Is that one... Is that the one bird was... Huh? What's that one? Since I've watched you, bro. Hey, what's up, Novelty? I just got back from a honeymoon too, brother. Yes, I am carving in crocs in the rain. Yo, hey, Giraffe. Long time no see, brother. Thank you very much for the raid, man. Yeah, good to see your name again. What were you streaming today? Yeah, so we might get to Pakatis today. I'm not sure. I'm kind of just taking my time as I do. And, you know, having a yarn with you guys. The aim of today's stream is just to catch up with you guys first, to be honest. Because I was thinking about the stream while I was away a couple times. I was trying to think as much people as I could that were subbing to me offline. Just DMing them. I think that's what I'm gonna do throughout the night too, when I'm like doing late night stuff, like either editing or just gaming. If someone subs, you know, DM them and say thank you. Need to do more of that. Because I hate missing that kind of stuff. It's very important. Back to my roots and doing 3D. Ooh, okay. Oh, airplanes. Thanks for the airplanes, brother. Yo, true, my bro. I hope you're well. I missed your carving chair, my bro. All is well, brother. All is well. Just it feels good to be back, you know. Providing the streams once again. Because yeah, it's definitely hard to be away, you know, when people subscribe to you and I'm not live. I feel like, you know, I want to deliver. So we are going to hit it hard pretty much now that I'm back. And it feels good. I feel refreshed, you know, it was a good break. It's definitely a good break, brother. Needed as well. I hardly ever, you know, give myself some time to have a break. So I think, yeah, that'll be me till next year, pretty much. I know I'm going to be away next weekend because it's my daughter's 6th birthday. And we're taking her to Disney on Ice. My youngest daughter's school, they go every year and they had extra tickets. So they knew my big girl's birthday was coming around because she's a former student of the primary school. And they gave us tickets. So I'm like, yo, W. I'm more excited to go to the zoo. Yo, thanks for the galaxy, man. Because if you know, like before I became a woodcarver, my dream job was to become a zookeeper. And I'm pretty excited, I must say. For me it was focusing on, I moved pretty far from home, now I'm in a different, well, from all the sand I'm used to, things are getting better for me for sure. I hope the birthday goes well. Oh, nice, brother. Spread your wings, my bro, and go hard. Always make me laugh. Welcome on in. Hey, if we get some laughs, that's a W. We can always do with a bit of joy in our lives. Hold on, guys. He's 6 years old. Hey. The years are going by very fast as a father, I'm not gonna lie. Or as a parent, I should say. You know, I've actually never tried pumpkin pie. Wants to go with our son one day. Oh, yeah. Hey, what's up, Yoshi? Mahalo e taku kanaka. Wait, hold on, chat. Oh. Also, guys, I may have only just seen Horrible Bosses 1 for the first time. I didn't realise how funny that movie was. The design is so intricate. Thank you, brother. It's about to level up even more as well. Are you from NZ? You, my bro. Horrible Bosses. Yeah, I only seen it on the weekend. It's funny as. One guy's boss is a complete asshole. Doesn't give the guy a promotion. The other guy's boss... What does the other guy's boss do? Oh, his boss dies because he was going to give the company to him, but the dickhead coke addict son gets it. And the other boss... so the guy works in a dentist. He's a dental assistant. And his other boss is obsessed with trying to peg him. But he's married or he's engaged. And it's just funny how the whole movie turns out, eh? Jennifer Aniston is the boss that's trying to peg her coworker. That's funny, bro. Alright. See this nose. Hello there, Black Shooter. One, two. Just getting it all set and primed, guys. That's the main thing that we're trying to do right now. How many years have you been covering for? I started when I was 12 and I'm going to be 33. Shit, next month. Oh my gosh. I'm 33 next month. Oh my god. My cousin was telling me to react to the AMP cipher. I don't know what it is, but I might react to it tonight on my other channel. Go live on the gaming channel tonight. How we doing TikTok and YouTube? You's alright? You's all good? Hold on now. Just what's your other channel? Not Brox, pretty much. It's literally the name of my other Twitch channel. What's up from Denver, Colorado? Hey, brother. Is it true you're a massive capitalist? I don't even know what that means. Like catapult. I don't really know political language. Just orc, wow language, my own Maori and English. Well, not very high levels of English. I don't know what the capitalist means. Isn't that like an American thing? I'm still trying to understand why America's political parties has a donkey and an elephant, to be honest. That's as much as, politics as I know. I'll be honest. Yeah. Yeah, why they got a donkey and an elephant for their logos? That's kind of dumb. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Can you dumb it down or something? Yeah, I don't know what that means. Kia ora, bro, nice carving. Kia ora, kia ora. You're from New Zealand? From Aotearoa, New Zealand. Former president gets shot and everyone's talking about Kamala being Brett. Oh. I'll be honest. I logged off when I went on my honeymoon. It's the best bloody decision I ever made. But is that the current drama at the moment, is it? Yeah, I don't really follow. I don't follow the latest drama and what goes on around the world. That's yeah. Main reason being is because I'm a grown ass adult. Grown ass adult. They're trying to follow other people's drama. You're definitely dodging a bullet with American politics. I just feel like they should put someone younger, in the White House. That's all I'll say. Seems like you have to be either full-on dinosaur or on your way to becoming a dinosaur. In terms, yeah. That's all I can see. I like that guy's what's his name? Ari Spears. He talks about how Charles Barkley talks about stuff that ain't got nothing to do with basketball. That's how what's that old fella's name? Sleepy Joe. Is it bad I only know him by his nickname? I think Sleepy Joe's a pretty goated name. That'll be a goated COD name, to be honest. That was a quick honeymoon. Thought you were off for a week or two. Nah, just 6 days. Can't stay away from my kids that long. Or we both can't, to be honest. We started missing them on the last day. I started missing them. Yeah, we both started missing them towards the last day. For sure. It's so weird that's not for me and your time zone things. That's the one thing I hate about streaming is time zones. Because I want to, you know, cater to everyone within the different time zones. That's why I said when the day comes, when we're able to get our own house with a shed, that's when I'll be doing late night carving streams, and early morning ones I'll change up the time schedule. Just so everyone gets to see it done live. That's only my main, I guess that's my streamer ick, is that a thing? Is not being able to be live for those that aren't within my time zone. I'll be honest, there's no way in 1,000 moons I'd ever do a 24-hour carving stream. My mind would be absolutely shot from it. I'd be too cooked to do that. It's possible, but you know, it's not wise. It's not very wise to do that. In my opinion, anyway. So we'll set this one up today. Yeah, we'll start our pakatis today on the top, just to show you. What can we use? One moment. So what we're gonna do first is gonna be chick cutting. So chick cutting is what we are going to do first, okay? That's what we're going to be doing first. So chick cut. So we're going to be doing this. Not even secured properly. One moment. Wait. Right. In the Netherlands, and I'm watching you relaxing in me. Just make sure you don't stay up till silly o'clock, eh? Everyone should be going to bed at a reasonable time. Please. Alright. Woo! Now, what we're going to need next is a 13. Damn! The one I would have used is got chips in it. So maybe we won't start that today. We gotta sharpen that up. Hey, thank you Hayden and Josu. Did I say that right? I think what we'll do for now is have a wee yarn. Have a break from the carving for now, and then we'll carry on after that, eh? Oh yeah! Oppa! Hello? How we doing, guys? You'll have a bit of a break and then we'll get back into it. So, how we doing? Kia ora, William G. Stone. Yes, I wear a ripped jacket when I'm carving. I don't wear new clothes. How we doing, guys? Kia ora no, hello. Wood making king. I'm average, my bro. Avocado. Yeah, it's something I'll never claim, pretty much. I remember when you first got noticed on and people were sending you positive experience on YouTube. Positive experience on YouTube, yeah. Like the majority of it's still good. Obviously, there's the odd papega now and again. But I think what we need to keep in mind is that's just internet. You're gonna bump into a lot of papegas on the internet. Yeah. So that's all we've done here. So we finished this. When did we finish this phase? Last week, eh? Got that done in one stream, and then now we're doing this one. This one here, obviously, with these thicker lines that you see, there's still more to do on that. Yeah. There's still a little bit more to do, but there isn't really much left on this, and then we'll design the body too. But yeah, that's so far. Pretty much. What else have I been up to? Yeah, other than that, just we've been working on this. Oh, a chain. Yeah, this is what we've been up to so far, pretty much. So once it's done, then we take out the last few sections. And then after that, I have to look into carving something for a friend. Where are we? I think the mic isn't as good as his, but I can hear him okay. Oh, really? I thought the mic was all good. Oh, yeah, I'm still, he has Tanjiro's soul. Oh. I'm taller than him, though. No. Nezuko! 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 My favorite Hashira is Gyome. Close second would have to be who's the airhead one with the mist breathing? He's like a bit of a sloth kind of guy. He's like chill as. What's his name? Yeah, Muchiro, yeah, him. He's probably my second favorite. But yeah, what's his name? The stone Hashira is my favorite. It was cool. It was cool in the last episode of the current season that's just gone when he turns up and he's spinning the wheel. Oh, bro, I'm so glad I got to see him animated this time. was buzzing, bro, seeing one of my favorite Hashiras be animated finally. Yes, if you didn't know, I'm a weeb as well. What are you talking about? Demon Slayer. Greetings from Denver. I love what you do, brother. And totally striking work. Always senses and God bless. Hey, thank you, brother. Thank you, Brev. Thank you very much to Minted JKO for the brandy tier 1. Welcome to the stream, brother. Are you from New Zealand? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yeah, Gyomei and Muchiro are my two favorites. I mainly just like Muchiro, just like how Chili is just called me Mini. Okay. Oh, it's Mini! Holy, yeah, I can't see that far. Especially when the words looks like barcode. I don't need glasses, it's just, yeah, my laptop screen is very small. How are you? I'm good, I just got back from my honeymoon. Just a little getaway for me and my wife. Favorite NRL team? The Cowboys. I've been a fan of the Cowboys since JT was in there. Are you Hawaiian? None. Are you watching anime? Yeah, yes, I've been watching One Piece since it got released. How many years ago? Yeah. But I mainly read it these days now. The latest anime I've probably watched. The Bills, the Cowboys is the NRL team. The latest anime I've probably watched is Solo Leveling. And I started watching, and I've been watching, Shangri-La Frontier? I don't know, I just like the MMO style, animes. Cowboys, I knew Brox wasn't perfect. Oh, shush. Yo, G and Carl, thank you very much. The Demon Slayer final episode, yeah. I like the little touch they did with the when they're all falling into the Infinity Castle. I don't want to say what the touch is, just in case it spoils it for people. But if you watch the last episode, like slowly, when they fall down, you'll notice something. I don't want to say what it is though. I guess you only know if you've read it, yeah. Thoughts on Solo Leveling? It's actually pretty cool. I want to watch more of it. Do you like Fiji Rugby? Yeah. What about Kaiju? No, I haven't started watching Kaiju number 8 yet. Yeah, I definitely want to start watching Kaiju number 8. It looks pretty cool. I saw shorts of when the main character's getting fucked up. Is it by Kaiju number 2? The old guy with the fist weapons? Bro. He's the man. Might be a weird question. What's that weird? But if you're not an islander, it'll be stupid to get a moko. If you're talking about islanders, you mean like Samoa, Rarotonga, they call it tatau. Maori's ones are called moko, so this is a moko. All of that. I'm not taking this off because, you know, my nipples will go hard and I'll get cold. I haven't actually watched Attack on Titan. Yeah. I haven't actually watched Attack on Titan. I know. Shocker. Yeah, I haven't actually watched it. But I did see little snippets of the rumbling. Bro, that's pretty hardcore, eh? Getting stomped to shit. I watched Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood ages ago. Yeah. Attack on Titan is good, please do. Yeah, I gotta make some time. How many seasons are there? Anyone know? Do you take commission orders? I do, but my commissions are currently full. You watched The Hobbit? Yes. I just got back from the South Island, and I plan to marathon The Hobbit into Lord of the Rings. Opinions on rugby. Oh, very good sport. I haven't actually watched JJK. Are you okay? Yeah, just having a yarn. Nice jacket. Nice jacket. No, I've had it since 1995 and it finally ripped on me. But I'll probably wear it till I can't wear it no more, because this is the last thing my grandfather gave to me. The same personalities as Tanjo. Oh, really? Tengen is pretty dope character though. He's pretty cool. It's just weak as shit though, that's all. When they will open again, probably next year. Yeah, next year. Please never stop making carvings.